Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll fix the problem when your headset microphone is not working on Windows. Whether it's for Discord, Teams, or games, these steps will get it back up fast, so let's just jump in. First of all, make sure that your headset is connected properly, it is plugged in, and you can set your headset as default. So you can go ahead and look out for the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and click on it. After that, open up your sound settings on your screen. Once you open up your sound settings, you can go ahead and look out for the input or recording tab and find your headset mic here by choosing a device for speaking. And if there is headset available, you can just go ahead and select it, and you can select it as the default device for yourself like this. So you can just go ahead and select it and select as the default. This is one of the methods. Speak into it and you should see the green bar moving. Apart from that, you can check the mic permissions. You can hit Windows plus I again and open it up. From there, go to privacy and security. Right here, open it up. And from there, go to microphone. There's an option right here under app permissions. Open it up and ensure this permission is on. So enable this option right here. If it is turned, click on it in order to turn it on and allow apps like Discord, Teams, or Zoom to use the mic. And close this up. The next thing you can do is update or reinstall the driver. Hit Windows plus X and go to Device Manager. Hit Enter. Once you hit Enter, you can just go ahead and expand the Audio Inputs and Outputs tab here, or Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Find it up and go to that one as well. Let's head over the audio input and output for this and expand it up. From here, go ahead and look out for your headset mic. For example, let's say this is it. Back click on it, then go ahead and look out for the option called Update Driver and click on it. Once you do so, you can search automatically for drivers, click on it, and update it. If that doesn't work, you can install it. So back click on it again, look out for install option, and go ahead and click on it. After that is done, you can replug your headset and Windows will reinstall the driver. And that is it. By checking connections and following up this method, that should probably, your headset mic should work again. So if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you for watching, and see you in another one.